Also, typically it comes from two sources. In the Irish market over the last 10, 15 years, there's been a requirement to sell off pool components of their mortgage and loan books. And that's typically due to the need for holding a large amount of capital for poor components of the book. But in a more international context, a lot of the new entrants in the market, such as fintechs and companies like Sainsbury's, Tesco's, would not have a back office operational capability, and therefore we need to outsource that to some of these larger outsourced entities. Yeah, I suppose at a high level, it's really moving their book from their systems to the systems of the outsourced entity. But at a more granular level, it'll involve things like, the as is to be process mapping, data migration, reconciliations when you complete that process, dress rehearsals to kind of ensure that when you do it for real, it actually works. Run books for a go live weekend, and the whole project management governance around all of that. So it's quite a complex project. So the key problem with lots of these projects is data. I mean, data quality, data completeness, that all needs to be mapped to ensure that when these loans and mortgages are actually operational in the new entity, the day-to-day processing can run successfully. I suppose this was probably the very first area of our involvement when we set up our entity in Ireland back in 2011. We were involved in a number of the larger migrations of the core Irish banks bad books to the outsourcer for the Irish bad bank, and subsequently we've been worked on a lot of those projects. So CubeMatch, it fits well into our capabilities because we would have a strong capability in that full project lifecycle, from process mapping through to data mapping to running migrations to reconciling data. And so the key thing is we would see ourselves very much as a business change and a change management consultancy company, and so CubeMatch's key skills would be in areas like very strong domain knowledge in loan and mortgage outsourcing, very strong skill sets in the companies that you need to support this, which would be process analysts, business analysts, test managers, project managers, etc. So it really fits well into things we do. It's very, very much around delivery.